Quick video on how to fit the bus bars to the new Bullet DCX motor. It's really quick and simple, so let's jump into it. So in your bus bar kit, you'll have a left and right field, your armature bus bar, this little brass guy, and a washer. First thing you need to do is prepare the armature terminal on the solenoid. So you take off the nut, spring washer, then using a 13mm spanner, remove the brass nut that's on there. Replace this washer with the one that came in the kit. The only difference is it's slightly thicker. And then screw on this brass adapter. Do that up. Don't go overboard on that one. Then from there you can fix the bus bars. So take all your nuts off. These do have a direction. The bus bar will kick in at one end. So goes on there, goes on there, and then your armature one goes on the top to the top of that stud, and you'll feel that center in the stud there. The stainless steel washer that came off there can go back on there. Use our normal extended motor bolt kit to support the solenoid on the back of the motor. Do everything up, just your 13mm spanner or socket, whatever you prefer. And that's it. Positive power onto this terminal here. You ground underneath the motor as normal, and the rest of it all done. Quick, easy, simple.